As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best price on parts and tools I use in today's video. Today, got a 2005 Bentley Continental GT. It's got a dead battery. I'm going to show you how to jump it if the battery's dead and you can't pop the hood, and then how to replace your battery. So let's check it out. Okay guys, and in order to get this thing powered up so we can pop the trunk, we're going to go ahead, lift your hood. Look at this, 2005 shocks on the hood are already dead on the Bentley, and we're going to remove this airbox cover. It's T27, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I believe, and we got this little cover. We're going to pop this off, and 6 right there. Also, you're going to take those off, kind of pull this guy up and out. Look, air filter just kind of stuck up in there, and we got this, and then we have a cover right here. We're gonna pop this cover off, and that right there is gonna be your positive. So I'm gonna grab my jump box, put my positive right there, and put your negative right there, and that's gonna power this thing up. Hey guys, and I'm gonna show you the steps to take it out, but I'm at the step right now where I'm pulling it out. I just want to show you what it looks like pulling it out. So you're basically gonna pull this off to the side, and then you'll be able to just kind of pull it out through here. I'm gonna need 2 hands because I'm gonna hold this, and then everything out of the way will just pull right out through the side. Alright, so I know it's out of order, but now the in-between steps of how do we get there. So on each side, you're gonna have a cover like this. You're gonna twist, and then pop this out. And the battery was sitting in there, and it's gonna be a cover like this. You're gonna come from the back, pop it up, pop this up out of your way. Then there's a 13 right there. You're gonna loosen that up. Take your right hand here, your left hand here, wiggle up and off. Then you're going to have a wire that sits right over here. That's a 13, pop that off. Then you're gonna have a connector right here, kind of squeeze and pull that off. So then this will go to the side out of your way. And then you're going to have, mine just had one 13 that was right in there. Got some light for you. It was sitting right in that hole right there. You take that 13 out, and you can see the battery, it'll fit into there, and then that bar is holding it down. So once you take that 13 out and kind of move the bar out of your way, you will be able to, just like you saw me, push this to the side, pull out, and with your left hand grab the back side and kind of lift it up and pull it out sideways. So that's how you get that battery out. And now I'm gonna take this one out. All right, and this side was actually easier. Basically just a 10 there, 10 there. Always take your negatives off first, just so you don't blow a fuse. And then this will be gripped on the battery, pop that off. There was a 13, just like on the other side. There's the bar, there's the hole. Take that out, lift this up, and then just pull them out the side. And again, no big problems there. Pretty simple, simpler than this one. And that is how you remove them. Putting the new ones in, it's going to be reverse of the removal, and that is it. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.